Need. I need the dough for the bread. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between 2 plates. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass or it will crack. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Chop. I need to chop the tomatoes for the dish. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Boil. The water is boiling. Sauté. Sauté the onion for 2 minutes. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Add. I like to add milk to my tea. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.